Hi, this is a short tutorial on the concept and how to configure a intercept, meaning a text, a URL or survey in app that says, welcome to Mexico, welcome to our resort. Or if, for instance, there's a crash, are you okay, right? We detected a sudden thing. Or if you're at customer service or you enter a new state, this is how you do it. This is all Qualtrics. Cool tool. I'm certified XM administrator for this. First off, let me get myself out of the face. You go to the main dashboard here where you see customers, employees, all this stuff here. You go to create a project, a web or app feedback. So in app, digital journey optimization. Let me get myself out of here, right? And then you get started down here. First, name the project, and then what kind of thing do you want? A responsive dialogue, feedback button, see embedded feedback like embedded in an app, right? Mobile embedded feedback, super cool. And then over here, web intercept or mobile app intercept, meaning do they point you to a website or is it right in your, like Facebook, right? Or whatever app you have. Here it is. Choose a survey URL, right? Create an intercept. It's really an intercept, right? Here's the testing. Here's an example. Keep it simple. A, size, style, survey directly. B is, is it more for a PC or tablet or is it mobile, right? And then how to improve it. Give us feedback. And here, do we use the template? Then D, next. And this is kind of like, hey, help us improve this. What are you willing to do? What's a feedback button, etc. Again, next. Right? Decide when your responsive dialogue appears. Like when somebody enters Mexico is a good example. Welcome to Mexico. Your T-Mobile rates are, right? This happens to me. So here's how you set up that logic. So within Qualtrics, you can say if intercept is, select an intercept, remember we named it, is in this zone, has been seen in a certain zone in the last 5 days, 3 days, 1 day, then. So here's how you build it out. If intercept, right? Now browser session, and then location, right? Say IP address, user, agent, browser has been seen in the last 3 days, 10 days, then send them a message. Here in Qualtrics, they have the world. We're in North America. We're going to be interested in, say, Delaware or Arizona, for instance. Then you can say if they entered Arizona. So if location is Arizona, see, and time spent on site is greater than 3 minutes or 20 minutes, then send them a survey. Why did you leave? Why did you do something else, right? This is a really powerful tool. This class of tool is really fun. And you link it into Salesforce. And then you have a really actionable thing. Your customer went to your car dealership, spent 25 minutes there, and left. A day later, send them the survey. Or, hey, what can we do better? Did you not get the car? Give us a call. Our national director would like to speak with you to get you the vehicle you desire. Right? Again, it's boom. And here's the rest of the setup, right? Prevent duplicate contacts. And this is back to the main dashboard where you create a project. And then here again, blah, blah, blah. You go through the logic. And down here, this takes a little bit of time right here. Right? You can see intercept status failed, right? This is testing it. The sample 20%. Was the browser supported that people looked at? Yes. Prevented repeat display? Yes. Intercept logic failed. Need to work on that. Cookies enabled? Great. Right. Local storage enabled? Great. XM directory contact frequency? Great. Right. But this is what you do. And this is a fantastic tool. I highly recommend it that you use it. Integrate it into your Salesforce or other CRM. Thank you very much. And here are the 2 intercepts. And of course, they're inactive because they didn't pass the test. Thank you.